In today's video, I'll show you how to create a course on Gumroad, allowing you to share your skills and expertise with the world. Start by going to gumroad.com and logging in using your Google account for a fast and secure login. Once you're on your dashboard, click the Products tab, then select New Product. Choose Course or Tutorial as your product type. Give your course a catchy, informative name, then set the currency and price that best fits your audience. Click Next to customize your course by adding a detailed description, highlighting key takeaways and prerequisites to engage potential students. Upload high-quality images or videos for your course cover and thumbnail to make a strong first impression. Add any additional details that might help your buyers understand the value of your course. Finally, click Save and Continue to enter your course content. Once everything is ready, hit Publish and Continue, and your course is live on Gumroad, ready to reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful Gumroad tutorials.